Okie dokie. Hey, we only have 3 tutorials left. So let's go to duplicate it. That's our next tutorial. It's like copy it, but there's some other tricky things we can do with it. Okay, so in duplicate it, it says that the duplicate command is similar to the copy command, but it has a few added benefits. Kind of like a Hershey bar has, is really good, but then you put it with a graham cracker and some marshmallows, and then it's even better. So that's what we're going to do here. Let's try it out. Okay, continue to the next step. It says, duplicating a shape will create an exact copy directly on top of the existing shape. So I'm going to drag a shape. It says drag a shape from the shape panel onto the work plane. Click the duplicate icon at the top of the toolbar. That's up here. Duplicate and repeat. By doing this, it puts it exactly on top of the other. So all of those boxes are in the same spot as each other. Now, and I can actually move them out of the way. As opposed to when we copied and pasted last time, it actually just put it to the side of those. Okay, it's pretty cool. Now, the duplicate command has a special feature that remembers the changes you make and applies them. So once you duplicate it and you move it a little bit, it'll actually start duplicating it again and again and again in the direction that you moved it. So let's try that. Okay, so let's bring our box out. Perfect. We're going to duplicate it. Now I'm going to move that duplicated box up and maybe over a little bit. Okay, isn't that awesome? But what happens is if I click the duplicate item again, it actually remembers how I moved it. Now I have this whole stair step of duplicated boxes all moving up the screen. So what I want you to do is do that. Take your shape out, hit the duplicate button, move one of the shapes in a different direction, and click the duplicate button again, and show me the pattern that it makes on the screen. Take your screenshot and put it into the slideshow. All right. Now, you can also try to duplicate more than one item. You can also click and drag the screen to select several of them, and you can duplicate those. So see how it made copies of the copies and copies of the copies. So have fun. Fill your screen with copies. See how it all works. Don't forget to take a screenshot and turn it in.